How to log in Scotiabank. Welcome back to Techmates, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, launch a preferred browser and search for scotiabank.com. You'll be redirected to the official website of Scotiabank. You can get access to the feature of Scotiabank, that is credit card, investments, and more. To sign in or log in into your account, you need to scroll at the top of your dashboard. If you have not created an account, you can easily sign up by selecting on Activate Now option. Tap on Sign In if you already have an account. You'll be redirected to this login portal. In here, to log in, enter your username or credit card number. Then enter your password and select Remember if you are using your very own personal laptop. If you need help, just tap on Need Help Signing In. Based on your issue, it will suggest you how can they help. Just tap on the preferred one. In case of resetting your password, you can enter a username or card number to recover your account. By this way, you'll be able to log in into your bank account and also recover it if you have forgotten any of the credential. That brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.